Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2017 Ford F-150 XLT. This vehicle features a 5-liter V8 engine with 4-wheel drive and no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX. As you can see here, this vehicle is a beautiful and sleek shadow black with chrome and ebony accents, as you'll be able to see there on the grille. And those accents continue down to the tow hooks and fog lights, which will help you out in some inclement weather. We'll continue our way around here to the side of the vehicle and just point out all the features that we have over here. If you look down at the wheel, you can see those chrome accents making its way onto the rear caps. And as for the tire treads, they've got a significant amount left, but I'll get you those exact measurements in just a moment, because every vehicle here at All Things Automotive does have a multi-point inspection, as well as having a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. As we make our way inside the vehicle, you can see it's got a soft dark gray cloth to match that black exterior, and it also makes those seats very comfortable. I'm just reaching into the glove box here to take out the results of that multi-point inspection. As you can see, your tire tread is 7 30-seconds in the front and 8 30-seconds in the rear, and your brake pads are 15 30-seconds in the front and 13 30-seconds in the rear. So you have a ways to go before you need to replace any of those. We'll now make our way here to the rear occupant seating, and I'll just show you some of the features back here. As you can see, they've got a lot of foot room back there, and also here in the center console, they have a charging port as well as 2 cup holders for their convenience. Also for their convenience, all of the doors have cup holders as well as several compartments to store things, which is really handy, especially for those who carry a lot. We'll now make our way here to the rear of the vehicle, and as you can see, it comes pre-installed with a tow bar for those trailer hookups. We'll now continue here into the bed. This is a half-ton pickup, so you've got a lot of room back there to haul some very large items. I'd also like to point out that this bed is lined, which will help to protect that bed. We'll continue to make our way around the vehicle here. Now towards the front driver's side. As you can see here as we approach, it's got a door entry code, which will help to prevent you from ever getting locked out of your vehicle. I would also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience. Now we'll go on to the inside of the vehicle. Alright, as you can see, this vehicle does have standard powered mirrors and windows, as well as power locks for the doors, and those cup holders in all the doors, as I had mentioned earlier. As we look our way here to the driver's side seat, you have 6-way adjustable seating, forward, backwards, tilting the seat forward and backs, and 2-way lumbar support. This vehicle also has a telescoping steering wheel to go up and down and in and out. Also to the left of the steering wheel are your lighting controls, not just for your headlights, but also for your dashboard. I'll just start up the vehicle here for you. And as you'll be able to see on that dashboard, this vehicle has about 68,410 miles on it. Looking away from the dashboard for a second, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel are your buttons for navigational control on that dashboard. So you can go through all of the options listed up there. Now, right underneath those navigational buttons are your cruise control settings, and to the right side of the steering wheel, those are your volume controls, as well as underneath that are your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. We'll move on here to the center console. As you can see to the left, you do have a lot of those buttons for options, as well as to the top you have your toggle for traction control, as this vehicle does have traction control, hill start assist, as well as trailer sway control. To the middle right of the center console is a 12-volt power outlet. To the middle left is where you'll change into 4-wheel drive, and in the center of that console is your volume and climate control. Underneath, you've got some more power outlets, a USB charging port, as well as a little compartment for smaller items. Down here in the center, you've got 2 cup holders there closer to the floor, 2 cup holders up higher, and a small compartment to store some small items. And I'd also like to mention that the seat does fold up so that this vehicle is able to seat a total of 6 riders inside of it. And that generally concludes the inside of this vehicle tour. Now for this last section of the video, we'll be looking for any nicks, stains, or blemishes in this vehicle. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want to be as transparent and straightforward as we possibly can be with the purchasing process. And these vehicles are pre-owned, so we want you to know exactly what you're getting, any imperfections and all. Now right after looking around that inside, we'll be looking here on the front of the vehicle. As you can see, there are some minor stone chippings here on the front, especially on that chrome. It does show a little more than other colors would. As you'll be able to see here, a little bit of staining, some scratches there. Stone chipping is extremely common on vehicles. The only way you can really prevent stone chipping is just by not driving your vehicle. We'll look up and down here on all of the doors. A scratch there on the rear passenger side door. Continuing to look around. Some small stone chipping on the rear back. Here along the bumper is also where there are typically a lot of scratches and nicks, like this one right here, as people don't take great care in putting things in and taking items out. Here along the top of the tailgate is also where there are, and as you can see, there are some blemishes on the top of that, as well as inside there on the liner bit there. We'll continue our way here, looking now on the driver's side of things. There's a small scratch there on that back bed. Just some fingerprints from getting in. There's a small blemish right there. And that generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you are interested in a half-ton crew pickup with a lot of foot and passenger space, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come check it out at All Things Automotive, located on 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. You can also give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this pickup and other listings at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Have a great day, and thank you for watching this video.